Here she is. i4 electric. I don't know how I bought a car like that. I'm usually a petrol head. And this is electric car. Did I make mistake? I don't know. Going home. I recommend it. If you don't know what you do, better don't do it. It's not an easy job. A lot of wires, connectors, plugs. Take off the steering wheel. All the cables, the airbag. One cable, two cables, and one for the airbag. And the steering wheel came off. For this purpose you need that kind of tool. So first step, because all that console, everything need to be came off. We're starting here, pulling this one, use that hole, and pulling back that one. Then we have two clips there. Okay, so that plastic is off. Side plastic, 4 clips. Four clips again. Take off that plastic, and there is a bolt. There is a third bolt. 1, 2, 3. Okay, dashboard screen is a bit difficult. I already mentioned to take it off, so I will show you. Under the steering wheel there is a 2 bolts, as you can see here. They hold it on this place, down there. 1, 2, and then you have these brackets. You see, there is the brackets behind, which are very tiny, and it's not easy to pull that screen, so you need to pull it up a bit hard, but it came off. And this is the trims. Basically we have one connector over there behind the screen, and second connector just there. Don't forget there is a 2 bolts on the cup holders. Another 2 bolts on the armrest, under the armrest. Central console. 2 10mm bolts. One here, one there, and 2 behind. One here, one there. This basically hold that console. So once you remove them, you just pull it out. Passenger side airbag. It came off from here. Okay, after I've removed the old airbags, blow ones, I think the name is curtain airbags, I pick up second-hand ones, and I'm just on installing it. At the moment it doesn't really, you don't really have what to wrong with that because as you can see, left hand, right hand curtain airbag should be plug and play, and probably after that cording. Today I continue with the passenger side wing and maybe the bumper. All clips are out, plastics, covers. This board is from inside. Front bumper remove. There is a bolts here on the top with clips which hold the actual bumper. Okay, a lot of 10mm bolts underneath. Make sure you take off all of them, and you have this 8mm. And the bumper come off just like that. Couple of bolts and only 3 wires here, driver side, and bumper is off. Easy. Now as you can see, I found same color bumper, but it's without any plastics. So the job now is take off all the plastics grills and put it on the new second-hand bumper. Let's go. Guys, what a result so far. After first wash, it looks stunning. Have a look at this color. Let's check out inside. Obviously, dashboard on place, everything on place. What I'm gonna do now, because I haven't give the car a power, so I don't know if I connect everything properly, but we're gonna find out this now. I'm gonna bring my another car and I will do a jump start, so because the battery of this car is completely flat. And let's see if all lights and radio and stuff will work. If it's not work, it's not gonna be nice, but let's see. Moment of the truth. Did I connect everything or I miss out something? Let's see inside now. Dashboard is on. This is drivetrain failure, which will be a problem 100%. What we can try, let's say headlights. They work. 1 and 2nd. So the dashboard, I can say I have success. I connect all of the wires. Let's try this radio. Music on. Ambient lights. They work. Yep. Well, so far so good. Next week I pick up the key, I upload a new video, and we're gonna find out. Probably will not start, but let's see. Well guys, thank you very much for watching that video. If you think you learned something, please, before you leave, just subscribe the channel, show some support, and I see you very soon with the second video. I received today the logbook. I went to the BMW, I ordered the key, so next week it should be here. Then I will make another video and I will show you further if the car will start. If it starts, that's gonna be awesome. And I will keep doing the things like front windscreen. I have to find and pick up a new alloy wheel on the left, and basically the car will be ready for drive. So finger crossed, the car will start and we're driving it next week. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Please, below. Subscribe and like.
I just don't wanna let go. When you gonna stop breaking my heart? I don't wanna be
Здравей, Мони. Хай, Моника.